In this video, I'm going to show you how you can decrease the file size of a photo here on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Sometimes when you do try and upload a picture somewhere, the file is going to be too large. Here's how you can actually shrink that. Begin by opening up the Photos app and finding whatever photo you'd like to go ahead and use. Let's say it is this picture right here that we're going to use to decrease the file size. Go ahead and tap Share in the bottom left and scroll down to the option. And scroll down a little bit till you see this option to Save to Files. Go ahead and select that and then hit Save up in the top right. Back out of here, open up that Files app, and what you're going to want to do is go to the Browse section and go to On My iPhone. Essentially, find that file on here and press and hold on it, and it's going to open up an option that looks like this. Go ahead and choose this Quick Actions down here, and then select Convert Image. Select JPEG up at the top, and then choose an image size right here. Go ahead and put that as small to make it as small as possible, and you're going to see now a new converted image. Select it, and then hit the little share icon down in the very bottom, and then choose Save Photos and hit Allow. Now when you back out of this section and go back to your photos, you're going to see that new, smaller photo right here. That's how you can quickly decrease a photo size on an iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.